Where are we tonight? What is this place? Well, we tried to find some hot springs.
What are you doing?
But we found the moon. Here's our car. Ta-da! You know, we got some space. Mountains over there. Got some bicycles that are horribly dirty. Made a poor decision. Got some tents. Some tent action. Got some proper foot attire. Say hello, people.
Hi.
How was today's ride?
It was pretty nice actually for being as long as it was.
It's a pretty good summary. This is their tent. It's green and beautiful. And we're gonna go to sleep soon.
Hey. Oh, are you filming still?
Yep.
We had an interesting day. And now we're back with camping, which is very exciting, except we can't see the stars.
They're
We can
coming.
see one. Hey,
No,
two!
they're actually, a lot of them are coming out.
Yay.
The sun hasn't set yet, really. Alright, that's all. Good night.